So this is around 8 kilo chicken. We marinated it with ginger garlic paste and salt for around 4 hours, and we keep it outside for 30 minutes to let it come back to room temperature. Now dum ka murg is a very fantastic recipe wherein you put everything together and cook in dum. So that's how the name came, dum ka murg. It's a Hyderabadi speciality also. Also a version is served in Lucknow in our cuisine. So what we'll do is, we'll do little bit of regular red chili and a little bit of degi. We add like a generous amount of mint leaves and a generous amount of coriander leaves. Even possible. So we add a spoon of garam masala. The flavor of coriander has to be dominant into it. We add some shahi jeera. 1 spoon is enough. 1 teaspoon. 1 spoon of turmeric. It has to have that golden color to it, amber color to it. So mace powder. So this is very fragile and technical also in a case, because a little bit more will get a very bitter taste and right amount will give an excellent flavor to it. These are chopped coriander roots. We have add some green chilies. So this is according to your taste. As much as you like, you can add. However, it's a delicate dish, so too much masala will overpower the dish and you will not have a very beautiful dish. So now this is coconut and poppy seeds minced together. So poppy seed has to be marinated at least for 6 to 8 hours. You can do it overnight and have like a 200-300 grams of poppy seed. Then this one, it's almond, chironji and cashew, lightly golden fried, and the ratio is 1:1:1 mixed together. We'll have like a half a bowl, so around 300 grams of the mixture. So 100 grams each will be enough. This is brown onion paste. So brown onion, you golden fry the onion and then add to and then make a fine paste out of it. Ensure the onions are nicely golden brown. If it turns black, it gives a very bitter flavor. Now what we'll do is we'll add little bit of kevda water and then we massage everything together. To evenly massage everything together. One ingredient I forgot is the most important ingredient, that is salt. Remember that we have also marinated the the chicken earlier in salt and ginger garlic paste. So be careful not to add too much of salt. So once everything is put together, what we'll do is we'll add dahi, fold everything together. Dahi should always be after the masala. Once all the masalas are done, we have mixed all the masala, then we put dahi. Now This is like 8 kilo of chicken. Now I'm gonna add around 500 ml of ghee on top. And you don't mix after this, you just ensure that it beautifully covers the whole top. So this will help the curd. If you don't cover it well, the curd will split. So once this is done, now this is almost ready to go on dum. We'll cover it with the silver foil and cook it on dum. Exactly 35-40 minutes. It's done. 35 minutes it will be done. You want your chicken to be more, it disintegrated from the bones and even softer texture than 40 minutes. Else 35 minutes is more than enough. So after 35 minutes, time to start. लगानी Look at this beauty. Dum cover is ready.